सुप्रभातं छात्राः, स्वागतम्। अष्टम्यां कक्षायां सप्तमः पाठः अस्ति भारतजनताः। वयं सर्वे भारतीयाः। भारतीयतायाः विशेषतां वयं गतकक्षायां ज्ञातवन्तः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः अस्य पाठस्य रचयिता कः, एषा कविता कस्मात् स्वीकृता, किं प्रतिपादयति इत्यादिकं सर्वं ज्ञातम् अस्ति। My dear students, in the previous class we have discussed that this poem is written by Dr. Ramakant Shukla. What he explains in this poem we have discussed, and we have discussed the first two stanzas, and today we will continue. First, before we start, let us read the poem thoroughly, then stanza wise we will discuss. अभिमान धना विनयोपेता शालीना भारत जनताहं कुलिशादपि कठिना कुसुमादपि सुकुमारा भारत जनताहं निवसामि समस्ते संसारे मन्ये च कुटुम्बं वसुन्धरां प्रेयः श्रेयः च चिनोम्युभयं सुविवेका भारत जनताहं विज्ञानधनाहं ज्ञानधना साहित्यकला संगीतपरा अध्यात्मसुधा तटिनी स्नानैः परिपूता भारत जनताहं मम गीतैर्मुग्धं समं जगत् मम नृत्यैर्मुग्धं समं जगत् मम काव्यैर्मुग्धं समं जगत् रसभरिता भारत जनताहम् उत्सवप्रियाहं श्रमप्रिया पदयात्रदेशाटनप्रिया लोकक्रीडासक्ता वर्धे अतिथिदेवा भारत जनताहं मैत्री में सहजा प्रकृतिरस्ति नो दुर्बलताया पर्यायः मैत्री में सहजा प्रकृतिरस्ति नो दुर्बलताया पर्यायः मित्रस्य चक्षुषा संसारं पश्यन्ति भारत जनताहं पश्यन्ति भारत जनताहं विश्वस्मिन् जगति गताहमस्मि विश्वस्मिन् जगति सदा दृश्ये विश्वस्मिन् जगति करोमि कर्म कर्मण्या भारत जनताहं कर्मण्या भारत जनताहम् एवम् अस्ति कविता। कवितायाः अभ्यासः अस्माभिः सम्पादितः। इदानीम् अर्थं पश्यामः। अभिमानधना विनयोपेता शालीना भारत जनताहम् अहं भारत जनता I am the proud citizen of this country, India, Bharatam. Aham कीदृशः अस्मि? Aham प्रजा, Bharata Janata, Bharatasya प्रजा. All of you should know that Janata, the word Janata is taken in Strilinga. That's why everywhere Strilinga is mentioned. So that's why you know in Sanskrit Vishesha, in whichever the linga vibhakti vachana is there, Visheshanas will be continuing in the same linga vibhakti and vachana. Abhimana dhana, it is Strilinga asti. Abhimana dhana Bharata Janata, Vinayopeta Bharata Janata, Shalina Bharata Janata. Evam Visheshanani santi. I am the citizen of India who is having the self-respect as the money. I am filled with obedience. Shalina, I am the mild. Kulishadapi katina, I am the citizen of India who is stronger than the diamond. Kulisham, Kulisham nama Vajram. Kusumadapi sukumara, I am softer than flowers. Bharata Janataham, Aham, I am the citizen of India. Nivasami samaste samsare, Indians live everywhere in the world. Manye cha kutumbam vasundharam. Manye, man dhatu, manyate, manyete, manyante, manyase, manyethe, manyadve, manye, manyavahe, manyamahe. सेव धातुं जानन्ति खलु सेवते सेवेते सेवन्ते सेवसे सेवेथे सेवद्वे सेवे सेवावहे सेवामहे. Dhatus are two varieties. One is parasmaipadi, what you have learnt, patati patataha patanti, titaha anti is parasmaipadi. Vardhate vardhete vardante, it is called atmanepadi. Manye, this also atmanepadi. Manye cha kutumbam vasundharam. I feel entire universe, vasundhara, prithvi, I feel the entire world as one family. Preyah shreyah chinomyubhayam. In detail I have explained what is preya and what is shreya. Preya is the materialistic improvement, progress. Shreya means beyond the material, ultimate progress. I select the both. As I have explained you, India is the karma bhumi, whereas foreigners are the bhoga bhumi. They always see only for the prayer, materialistic progress. Whereas in India, it is the beyond the materials, it is very, very important. Chinomi nama select. Chinuta, I have given many times in the exam. Chinomyubhayam, ubhayam chinomi, I select the both. Suviveka Bharata Janataham. Vivekaha means common sense. What is right and what is wrong, deciding that is called the common sense. I am very much knowledgeful, so I can select what is correct. Let us go for the third stanza. विज्ञानधनाहं ज्ञानधना साहित्यकला संगीतपरा अध्यात्मसुधा तटिनी स्नानै परिपूता भारत जनताहं परिपूता भारत जनताहं विज्ञानधनाहं. I am having the wealth. What is that? Vijnanam. Vishishtam. Vi iti upasargaha. Vignanam. Vishishtam gnanam. Vignanam. Vishishtam gnanam. Vignanam bhavati. That means special knowledge. What is special knowledge? Aham atra vadami. All of you know paper. Knowing paper as a paper is common knowledge. Knowing the paper from where it comes, from the bamboo. All of you can see the bamboo, but we don't have that science that we can make the bark of the bamboo as a paper. Vijnanam. Gnanat Vishishtam Vijnanam. The special knowledge. Gnanam means knowledge. Special knowledge is called Vijnanam. In Vedas also it is told Vijnanam Yagnam Tante. Always scientific approach is very, very, very important. So if you see, so many scientific thoughts are explained in the Sanskrit. Gnana dhana, I feel money, and I don't feel money as a money. For me, what is the money? Science is the money. Knowledge is the money. Dhanam nama sampat. For us, wealth is the knowledge. Wealth is the science. Science is wealth. Knowledge is wealth. Sahitya kala. I have the arts form. How many arts are there? Chatusheshti kalaha santi. How many art forms are there? 64 art forms are there. Sahitya kala. Sahityam, literature. Very rich literature we are having. Sangeeta para. We always worship the music. Shishurveti, Pashurveti, Veti Ganarasam Panihi, Sangeeta Sara Sarvaswam, Shankaro Vetivanava. Even a small kid understands the music. Even animals understand the music. That's why music is worshipped in India. That's why we always worship literature, we always worship the art forms, and we worship the music. That's why music is not only for the entertainment, music is for the enlightenment. Everybody feels that music only for the entertainment. No, music is for enlightenment. That's why it is told साहित्य संगीत कला विहीन साक्षात पशु पुच्छ विषाणहीन. You might have understood that knowledge and the music are the sources of God. That's why always worship the music. Adhyatma sudha tatini snanaihi. Nowadays, if you see, if you read the newspapers, you will understand that earlier we had tourism. Goa, as you know, in the 6th class you have Videshi Paryatakebhyaha Goa Samudratataha Samadikam Rochate. But tourism has got now different phases. Medical tourism has started. Many people will go to Kerala, not only see the beauty of the nature, for the treatments, that is called medical tourism. But now, very important is that philosophical tourism. To get the philosophical knowledge, people are visiting India. Adhyatma. Adhyatma. Atmani adhi iti adhyatma. Adhyatma means Vedantic. People come here to learn the Vedanta, philosophy. Adhyatma means philosophy. Philosophy is Sudha. Please note down the meaning Sudha. Sudha nama Amrutam. The knowledge of Vedanta is like Sudha, Amrutam. Tatini. This is also new word for you. Tatini. Tataha. Asya asti iti tatini. Tatini nama nadi. Sudha Tatini, where the Amruta will flow. यह वह नदी है जिसमें अमृत बहता है. कैसा अमृत? वेदांत आध्यात्म ज्ञान का अमृत. The what flows is amrit, that is the nectar. Nectar flows in this river. What kind of nectar? That is the philosophical nectar. And we are getting bath in the nectars of the philosophy. To clean our physical body, we take the bath every day. To clean your heart, you should listen to the good words. To clean your mind, to clean your thoughts, what is needed? Adhyatma Sudha. Adhyatmiki buddhi, that's why philosophical knowledge will clean your Atma. That's why we are clean internally and physically. Externally is the physical, internally is the mind and the heart. Heart is a place. Generally, you don't find any difference between heart and mind in English. Whereas, whereas heart is the place of the feelings, mind is the place of knowledge. So for that what we need is Adhyatma Sudha Tatini Snanaihi. We are getting the bath of philosophy to make our soul clean. Pariputa. Puta. Puta nama pavitri kruta. It is cleaned. Pariputa. We are very much cleaned by Adhyatmika Jnanam. Bharata Janataham. Such a citizen, proud citizen of India I am. Punah. Atra Mama Gitair Mugdam Samam Jagat. See. Mama Gitair Mugdam Samam Jagat. Mama Gitaihi Mugdam Samam Jagat. Mama Gitaihi Mugdam Samam Jagat. By my poetry, Geetam, Sangeetam, With my music, entire world has become mugdaha, fascinated. Understood? It has become fascinating. The music, Carnatic music, Hindustani music, it is having great place in the world. This music is making the people very fascinating, and at the same time India is known for its culture, art forms. Mama nrityair mugdam samam jagat. We nowadays follow break dances, is it? But Indian traditional dance forms are so fascinating. Mama nrityair mugdam samam jagat. With the dance forms, we have got n number of dance forms. Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak. These are all the classical dance forms. Generally, these questions are asked in the quizzes. You should know which state represents which type of dance forms. Other than that, we have got plenty of folk dances. Mama nrityair mugdam samam jagat. With my dances, entire world is fascinated. Mama kavyair mugdam samam jagat. Kavyam, literature. The Indian literature is so rich, it fascinates the people in the entire world. World is fascinated towards the literature of the India. Rasa bharita Bharata Janata. Rasa bharita. Rasaha means what? Tasty. Very tasteful thing. Bharata Janata. Arasikesh Kavitva Nivedanam Shirasi Malika Malika Malika. The poet tells that anything you can write on my forehead, but please don't write to recite poems to those people who are not interested in the poetry. Understood? So in the life, some people are so much depressed, dejected. When you are so sad, somebody comes and cracks jokes to you. Can you enjoy? No. Some people are there. Any fun you tell, they will not accept. So it is ಕತ್ತೆಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಿನ್ನರಿ ಊದಿದಂತೆ. It is just like playing the beautiful music in front of buffalo. So that means if you play very beautiful music in front of buffalo, does the buffalo enjoy? No. First, what should we learn in the life is to enjoy. Then only all the art forms will have the value. One who doesn't enjoy the music, whatever you sing, he tells it is waste of time. First, you should have the taste in that, then only you can enjoy. Is it? One who doesn't know the computer, if you give him computer, he tells it is a box. It is of no use. Is it? One who is scared of water, if you take him to the swimming pool, does he enjoy? So first you should know how to enjoy, then only the things, art forms will make you enjoy. Rasa bharita Bharata Janataham. Rasa bharita, full of taste. Indians having full of taste, even in the food, in the music, in the dance, in the literature, everywhere Indians are having very good taste. That's what explained in this beautiful paragraph. Understood? So, like this, you have to know. This is a two paragraph. Vignana dhanaham gnana dhana sahitya kala sangeeta para adhyatma sudha tatini snane pariputa bharata janataham. Mama gitair mugdam samam jagat mama nrityair mugdam samam jagat mama kavyair mugdam samam jagat rasa bharita bharata janataham rasa bharita bharata janataham. एवं अस्माभिः अद्य तृतीय चतुर्थ अनुच्छेदस्य अर्थः अवगतः अस्ति. इदानीम् एतस्य किं पठामः? व्याकरणांशान् इत्यादीन् पठामः। एकं क्षणम्।